Hello, my favorite chem kids. Exactly all 2 of you. Hope you guys had an awesome weekend. Please say hi to my owl. For no reason. Alright, here is the Bitmoji for the week. Obviously I have the assignments posted on the other slide as well. Alright, so do now. Make sure that you check in on Google Classroom. As always, you guys are doing great with that, so no big deal. Alright, so we are starting an assignment on matter and change, and we already talked about the 3 states of matter a couple weeks or so ago, and change, and we already talked about physical versus chemical change. So I would like you guys to try the Newsela on matter and change. Don't freak out about the writing assignment, kind of ignore that. You guys are going to answer some Newsela questions on Google Classroom instead at the end, and that will be posted after I have the videos all set up and done. Okay, so you're going to go in here. Already you can see the little picture. So we are loading at Newsela. Ignis V says Newsela, so either one is fine. Here is the article. It's pretty short, okay? So you can either direct link here, and I believe that there's an actual assignment here, all right? I prefer that you use the actual assignment, which will pop up, only because that way you can mark it as done, and that way I know that you can read it. All right, so that's actually it for you guys. So just the Newsela and the questions, okay? And that's it for you guys. All right, I will see you guys on Tuesday.